Nicole, the judge shot down the defense's request, saying it was a different case and with no bearing on this case. But he will likely sequester the jury Monday when closing statements are expected to begin. Today, medical and law enforcement experts took the stand, sharing their professional opinions on what caused George Floyd's death and the police use of force in his arrest. They focused on the details of this case, but George Floyd's brother focused on describing him and how he was as a person.
If you need a moment, I can take a minute.
In a tearful testimony, Philonise Floyd looks back on the life of his oldest brother, George Floyd, and the passing of their mother, May 30th, 2018.
That's my mother. She's no longer with us right now, but that's my oldest brother, George. Yeah. I miss both of them. They are. I was married. In May 24th, I got married. And my brother was killed May 25th. And my mom died on May 30th.
He described Floyd as an athlete who played basketball and football extensively in high school and in college. And he says his oldest brother was also a community leader. As the trial entered its third week, Dr. Jonathan Rich, a cardiologist expert from Northwestern, took the stand Monday morning. Rich said that Floyd was restrained in a life-threatening manner. On cross-examination, defense attorney Eric Nelson shifted the blame onto Floyd for struggling with police when they tried to put him in the car.
If Mr. Floyd had simply gotten in the back seat of the squad car, do you think that he would have survived?
Had he not been restrained in the way in which he was, I think he would have survived that day. I think he would have gone home or wherever he was going to go.
And another use of force expert took the stand as well today. The defense originally tried to get the Associate Professor Seth Stoughton's testimony thrown out, but the judge allowed him to speak. We will have much more on what he had to say tonight during NewsNation Prime.